This is the scooter, and yeah, white color as I mentioned before.
Before starting the video, I'd like to give you guys a quick background. So in this particular video, I had said this.
अभी जो है मैं एक चीज़ करके आया, and that thing actually came as a surprise to me as well. So I cannot reveal what it is in this vlog.
So what happened is that my grandfather offered me to buy an electric scooter, and to be honest, it came as a surprise to me as well. But what is the one scooter, at least that scooter, which comes in my mind whenever you say the term electric scooter?
New Ather 450X,
Ather 450X.
Ather 450X,
Ather 450X.
And then later that day, me and my dad went to check out the scooter at their Ather showroom, and we just like I took a test ride. I looked at it, the features and all of that. We just finalized it outright, okay. And in the birthday vlog, I had said this.
So there is another gift which is something you guys will know. So
By the gift I was referring to, it was nothing but the Ather 450X, and today is the day I will collect my scooter. So welcome back to our channel, guys. Let's get started.
तो पहले तो आई एम गोइंग टू ईरानी टू मीट सम ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स, एंड अभी थोड़ी बारिश है बट आई गेस इतनी भी ज़्यादा नहीं है. आई डोंट थिंक कैमरा में दिख भी रहा होगा. सॉरी फॉर द बैकग्राउंड नॉइज. Okay, so these are the people I'm with, and if in one word you guys could just introduce yourselves, or in one sentence, I don't mind.
My name is Chirayu, I like anime. I am Amanyu and I'm hot. My name is Smaran and you might have seen me in Tanya's vlog before.
काय ऐकू येत नाही.
And this is Aryan Sate screen.
This guy went to Starbucks.
Yeah, Amanyu, point the camera to him. Amanyu Gonkar walks into Starbucks, Kalyani Nagar, goes to the counter and says to them, "Hey, fresh lime."
बहुत ज़्यादा रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर रहा because this vlog is supposed to be about the Ather, right? And my delivery is at around 3 p.m. and अभी मेरे को थोड़ा बैंक में भी जाना है because I'm 18 right now, right? So I have to open my savings account and then debit card and all of that. So I'll see you at 3 p.m. So it is like 3:30 right now. I know थोड़ा late हो गया, but right now we are leaving for Ather. में भीड़ देखो, like this is the first time I'm coming here, no the second or the third time, पर इतने सारे लोग कभी नहीं देखे. Like 4 right now, and usually at 4 they are supposed to close down all the stores, right? But उनको मैंने पूछा था तो they were like 6 बजे तक खुला रहता है. But as you can see they have started closing it now. White color लिया, and white wasn't my choice. Like I was given a choice between white and green, so I prefer white anytime. But why white? You chose white, right? Why did you choose white?
I mean, it looks decent, looks good. I mean, your vehicle stands out.
So many of you might have heard that the government is giving out subsidies for like those purchasing electric vehicles. So on this scooter, the subsidy is like 45,000. So it reduces the price of the scooter by like a significant amount. This which I wanna purchase, it is the 450X. So for 450X, the subsidy is 45,000. But for the 450 plus, if there is a different subsidy, I don't know about that. So but for mine, it is 45,000. This is the scooter, and yeah, white color as I mentioned before.
ॲडजस्टमेंट अशी आहे मिरजला आणि अशी आहे. 2 ॲडजस्टमेंट हे असं ट्विस्ट दाखवतो.
After collecting my scooter, I went to my grandfather's house to show him the scooter, and just look at it. I mean, this might be one of the best decisions I've ever made to go for the Ather. So externally this is how the scooter looks, and many of you might have seen it. Many people, when it comes to electric scooters, they think that they are sluggish and they are boring. For those people out there, you just try the scooter once on its warp mode. Bro, I'm really sorry that I'm saying this because she is going to be mad after hearing this. The pickup on the warp mode is better than the Duke, and I'm not even kidding. Like, it is so good. Oh my god. Thank you. Why not the latest version of the Dio? Why not the latest Ntorq? Why not the latest Aprilia? Because take a look at the Aether once, man. It's so futuristic. Like, you haven't seen anything like this. So, first of all, the scooter is a head turner. Literally, I'm driving and everyone is looking at this scooter. So, number one, it's a head turner, and I love head turners. Also, take a look at the attention to detail. Like, just take a look at these these mirrors, this stand, and the overall design of the scooter. I mean, when you turn it on, now just tell me, do you get navigation on other scooters? No, you don't. Do you get Bluetooth connectivity? No, you don't. Then so many options. Literally, you can customize so much. Dark mode also. And then do you get literally 4 modes on any other scooter? So we have ride, sport, walk, eco. So eco is the best one because the range is good. The best part, I mean, it is pretty obvious that it is electric. So I don't care if the petrol prices go 100, 120. I have this beautiful electric scooter, so it doesn't affect me in any way. Plus, you also get this Aether app which you can download on your phone, and then you can see what your scooter is up to. And I mean, really, this scooter is like praiseworthy, and I can go on and on and on about the features. I mean, it's really a great scooter, and I'm really thankful. एंड दिस स्कूटर ऑल्सो हैज़ सम ऐप, सो ऊपर जाके वो ऐप इंस्टॉल करूँगा और फिर नीचे आई गेस मेरे को आना पड़ेगा, नहीं आना पड़ेगा, आई डोंट नो, बट आई गेस दैट शुड बीट फॉर दिस व्लॉग. बहुत खींचना नहीं है मेरे को. इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू दिस चैनल, हाई, माई नेम इज़ तनय, एंड अ फ्यू मंथ्स बैक आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई वुड स्टार्ट व्लॉगिंग माई लाइफ. So this is my journey, and I would love for you to be a part of my journey. So do subscribe to our channel, and yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care. Bye bye.